Welcome to this channel, and in this video I will show you how to create and use a playlist on your YouTube channel. Now before we start, if you want to grow and succeed on YouTube and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos. Let's now see how to make and use a playlist on your YouTube channel. And on your channel dashboard, you need first to click this playlist icon. And on this next page, you need to come to this top right corner and click this new playlist button to start creating your playlist. And from there, you need to enter the playlist title and select your visibility option accordingly. And after clicking this create button, your new playlist will be created and added to your list of playlists. Now, you can also create a playlist when uploading or editing your video. And you need first to come to this playlist section and click this drop down icon. And from there, you need to click this new playlist button to create your playlist. And after creating your playlist, you can add your videos to the playlist when uploading or editing the videos. And again, you need first to come to this playlist section and click this drop down icon. And from there, you need to tick the box next to the playlist and click this done button and also this save button. And to remove your video from the playlist, you just need to untick the box next to the playlist and then click these and done and save buttons. Now, playlists can also be added to videos as info cards, and you need first to click this cards button or this editor icon to open this pop-up window. You can also access this pop-up window through the video elements section when uploading your video. And on this pop-up window, you can easily add your playlist to your video as an info card. Now, on your channel playlists, you can see the playlist visibility statuses and also filter the playlists by their titles. You can also see the number of videos in them and also play the videos. And to edit your playlist, you need first to click this pencil icon to access this next page where you can edit the playlist title and description. And on this same page, you can also sort and play the videos in the playlist, set the visibility option, share the playlist to other social media platforms, add more videos to the playlist or remove them, and also make other settings. And you can always see how your playlist is performing through your channel analytics. And to delete your playlist, you need to click these three dots and then select this delete playlist option. Now, if you find this video helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to this channel for more videos.